Happy day, children. Today we are going to see class 4 English grammar. Topic is types of pronouns. So we are going to cover the subtopics are personal pronouns, subject pronoun and object pronoun, possessive pronouns, and the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives, and demonstrative pronouns. Let's get into it. Now, the first one. What are pronouns? So pronouns, it's a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. So it is also used to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again. So pronouns are she, he, mine, hers, they. Let's see an example. Rohit ran so fast you would think his life was on the line. So, if you see in the sentence, so first it is written Rohit and in between. So, ran so fast, you would think his. So, instead of writing Rohit 2 times, so they have represented Rohit as his. So, the pronoun his is saved as from repeating name Rohit again. Now, let's see the different types of pronouns. So, personal pronoun. First, you're going to see personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the words that are used in the place of noun that names a people. It is also used as a substitute for person's name also. So, personal pronouns are I, you, they, we, he, she, and it. Example. My name is Rahul. I like going to school. So here the personal pronoun is I. So I is used instead of Rahul. Now we are going to see the impersonal pronouns. It can be classified into two types. One is subjective pronoun and another one is objective pronouns. Let's see. So now here, subjective pronouns. As a subject, it is used before verbs and it also acts as the subject of the sentence. Like I, we, you, he, she, they, it. Some words come in singular and some falls under plural. Now let's come to the objective pronoun. Objective pronoun, it acts as an object used after verbs like me, us, you, him, her, them, it. The same way, some words come in singular and some falls under plural. Let's look at an example. They loved her. So, what is subject here? They and her is the object. Now, we'll see the second one. It saw Teddy, but he did not see it. Now, if you see here, it is come in the first and the last of a sentence. So, sometimes if the you just take it as like in an example, it when it comes in the first you take it as a subject, and when the it comes at the last you can take it as an object. Always subject, it always comes in the beginning of the sentence and object comes in the end of the sentence. The same with the third one. We read school before them. So here we will be your subject and them will be your object. Now we are going to see possessive pronouns. So here, possessive pronouns are pronouns that stands for a people or things who own something. It shows the ownership or a possession of a noun. So what are possessive pronouns? Mine, yours. So you possess something, right? Theirs, ours, is, hers, its. Let's look at an example. This computer is mine. That computer is yours. So you possess something. So what are possessive pronoun here? Mine and yours. Now, we are going to see possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. That is the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Here, possessive pronouns shows the ownership, but it does not come before a noun. Possessive pronouns are used to replace the noun, like mine, yours, his, hers, its, yours, theirs. Now, what is possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives are used to describe the noun. So, what are the possessive adjectives? My. So, mine means here my. Yours. So, in possessive pronouns we give yours. So, in adjective it comes as your. His, it's same. Hers, her. Its. So, for it's both in possessive pronouns and adjective, it remains same. Ours. So ours you see in pronoun. So in adjective it will be our. So next one is their. So mostly it is the singular form in adjective and plural form will be in your possessive pronoun. Now, we are just going to look at an example between a possessive pronoun and a possessive adjective. So I have just kept a chart here and say the chart of the possessive adjective and the possessive pronouns. Now let's see an example and find out so what are possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives from the sentences. So first example, that is the first sentence. Your lunch is ready. So where the word your comes, comes on the possessive adjective. So your is your possessive adjective. The second sentence. This thing is hers. Now hers. So what is hers? It is a possessive noun. My watch has broken. So what happened? Watch had broken. So what is my? It is a possessive pronoun. Sorry, my will be a possessive adjective. The next one. The treasure is not mine. So mine will come under possessive pronoun. Now, we have come to the last type of the pronouns, which is demonstrative pronouns. Now, what is a demonstrative pronoun? Let's see. Demonstrative pronouns point out people or things. It take the place of a noun that's already been mentioned. So they can be singular. For singular, this, that it is used. Or plural. What are plural form? These, those. Okay. Now let's see the demonstrative pronouns. This, that, one, these, those, once. Example. This is my chair. That is Peter's house. These are my pets. Those are Hari's book. So, this, that, these, those. What are they? They are all demonstrative pronouns. So what did we learn? Conclusion. What is a pronoun? Personal pronoun. What is the difference between a subject and the object? What is possessive pronouns? And what is the difference between possessive pronoun and a possessive adjective? And demonstrative pronoun. Hope you must have understood. Thank you, student. Have a great day.